Let's talk truck tourism. Since we've built the truck, we have had so many people interested, walking by, asking what's it like on the inside and things. And look, we're pretty proud of what we made, and you're more than welcome to come. Just remember, we do have a dog. She can be cranky. Knock on, see us out, holler, say, hey, do you mind if we check it out? We don't mind at all. If you're watching this, you've probably seen it all being built on the social media anyway, but we thought like there was bus tourism, right? When we pulled up somewhere in the bus, we always had people come and ask about the setup and the solar and the towing and all the bits and pieces, but nothing compared to truck tourism. I swear I've had more random people through the truck in 5 weeks than we had through the bus in 2.5 years. And that's really cool. Like, I don't mind at all. Just make sure you get our attention. Just don't wander in because there is a dog. So make sure you see us before you just like turn up and say, can I have a squizzy? But yeah, it's really cool. We don't mind at all. I know it's something completely different, and it catches a lot of people's attention, being very much fire engine red still. So it's not a problem at all. If you want to check it out and you see us around somewhere, just give us a holler and we'll show you through.